Introduction. PixelRts is a revolutionary format that encodes binary data as PNG images. Each pixel's RGBA channels store 4 bytes of data, enabling entire applications, operating systems, and datasets to exist as images. Core concept. #RGBA byte packing. The fundamental innovation of PixelRts is dense byte packing in PNG pixels. Channel byte position bits. Red byte 10 to 7. Green byte 28 to 15. Blue byte 316-23. Alpha byte 424-31. This means a single pixel can store 4 bytes of binary data. A 1024 by 1024 image can store 4 megabytes of data. Format versions. Version 1, Standard RTS. The original format used simple spatial mapping. Linear scan order, left to right, top to bottom. Basic metadata in sidecar files. Direct binary to pixel conversion. Version 2, PixelRts v2. The enhanced format introduces Hilbert curve spatial mapping for better locality. Metadata embedded in PNG text chunks. Multiple encoding modes, standard, code, compressed. Grid-based addressing. Hilbert curve mapping. PixelRts v2 uses the Hilbert space-filling curve to map data positions to pixel coordinates. This provides 1. Spatial locality. Related data stays nearby. 2. Cache efficiency. Better memory access patterns. 3. Visual coherence. Similar data creates visual patterns. The curve fills a 2D space by visiting each point exactly once, creating a fractal-like pattern that preserves locality. Encoding modes. Standard mode. Direct binary encoding with RGBA packing. Binary. 0xDE0xA D0xBE0xEF. Pixel. R equals 222, G equals 173, B equals 190, A equals 239. Code mode. Optimized for executable code. Additional metadata for entry points. Symbol table embedding. Function boundary markers. Compressed mode. Data is compressed before encoding. Standard compression. Better for text and repetitive data. Transparent decompression on load. Metadata structure. Metadata is stored in PNG text chunks with the following fields. Field type description. Version string format version e.g. 2.0. Mode string encoding mode. Grid size int image dimensions. Data size int original data size. SHA-256 string data checksum. Timestamp int creation time. File extensions. Extension meaning. .rts.png PixelRts v2 format. .rts legacy RTS format. .rts.meta.json sidecar metadata. Use cases. Operating systems. Entire Linux distributions can be encoded as single images. Alpine Linux, 150 MB as 6144 by 6144 image. Ubuntu Minimal, 300 MB as 8648 by 8648 image. Applications. Standalone executables as images. Firefox browser, 90 MB. Python interpreter, 30 MB. Custom tools, variable. Machine learning models. Neural networks stored visually. GPT too small, 500 MB. Image classifiers, 100 MB. Custom models, variable. Datasets. Training data as images. ImageNet subset, variable. Text corpora, efficient compression. Tabular data, direct encoding. Visual properties. When viewing a PixelRts image, you can observe 1. Entropy patterns. High entropy data appears noisy. 2. Structure. Repeated patterns indicate compression. 3. Headers. File headers create distinct visual signatures. 4. Code versus data. Different textures for different content types. Technical specifications. Grid sizes. Size capacity power of 2. 256 by 256 256 kilobytes 2 to the power of 8. 512 by 512 1 megabyte 2 to the power of 9. 1024 by 1024 4 megabytes 2 to the power of 10. 2048 by 2048 16 megabytes 2 to the power of 11. 4096 by 4096 64 megabytes 2 to the power of 12. 8192 by 8192 256 megabytes 2 to the power of 13. Hashtag